I'm going to discuss a very important branch of mathematics, trigonometry. The trigonometry has a lot of application in physics also. So I'm discussing about trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationship that deals with angles, length and height of the triangles. So we are taking the relation between angle, length and the height. So you see here I have taken a right angle triangle here. So in this right angle triangle, we can take the relation of this angle with respect to side by using trigonometric relations. Actually, there are 6 trigonometric relations are there. Out of this, the first 3, sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sine theta, how to calculate sine theta? See this triangle, it is a right angle triangle. I have taken this angle theta. So remember, this is theta. With respect to this theta, this is the opposite side AB and adjacent side is BC. So I am just taking some relations between the sides. That's all, angle and relation. So sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine theta opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. Next is cos theta, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BC, hypotenuse AC. Tan theta, that is opposite side by adjacent side, AB by BC, AB by BC. We have the co-functions of these all. Sin theta means the reciprocal of sin theta we call by a name cosec theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is called cosec theta. Take the reciprocal, hypotenuse by opposite. Take the reciprocal. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is AC by BC. Tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. That is adjacent side by opposite side. So remember sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta related with opposite to hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Now you got a very important relation from this. I think tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Check it, it's correct or not. When we are dividing these two equations, hypotenuse cancel. So tan theta is nothing but equal to sin theta by cos theta. Clear? So we are taking some relation of a right angle triangle with respect to its sides and angle with the function, trigonometric function. So first I told 3 function and I told the reciprocal function of those. Clear? Now, next I am going to give some short tricks to remember few trigonometric values. Okay? Because these all values we need in physics. So see here, we are taken the angle, few angles, 6 angles I have written, 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. These all I expressed in terms of radian, 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, pi. Why we are writing it like this? Because 2 pi radian is equal to 2 pi radian is nothing but 360 degree. So 30 degree means pi by 6 radian. 45 degree pi by 4 radian, 60 degree pi by 3 radian, 90 degree pi by 2 radian, 180 degree that is pi radian. Now I am going to calculate what is the sine value of 0, that is sine 0. You have to remember the first values, okay? Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1, sine 180 is 0. Sine 180 is 0. So in this, if you just check the first 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means 0 to 90 degree you check it. I'll tell a shortcut to remember 0 to 90. Right? So what I have written, you should learn only the first value, rest all you can find. So I am telling again, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Cos values just reverse you write. So cos 0 is 1. Clear? From here, okay, cos 0 means you have to take it like a just reverse case now. Just reverse. This one you have to start from here. So cos 0 is 1. Next one is cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 0. Clear? This part. Okay, you first check only this part. Easy method I am telling to remember. So I learn only the first 5 values only. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Second column what I did is I just reverse the value. Tan theta I told you. What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So divide 1 by 0, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, root 3. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Clear? Clear? That's all. Cosec theta, we know it is the reciprocal of sine. So take all reciprocal. 1 by 0, undefined. 1 by 2, 2. 1 by root 2, reciprocal, root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal, 1. Easy, right? Sec theta, take the reciprocal of this. 1 by 1, 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal, root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2. 1 by 0 reciprocal, undefined. If you want cot, take the reciprocal of tan. 1 by 0, undefined. 1 by root 3, root 3. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. 1 by infinity, 0. So in this form, you can easily do this column. So I told you, remember the values 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And remember the value first 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now the last column if you check it, sin 180 degree, sin 180 is 0, cos 180 minus 1, tan 180 is 0, cosec 180, what is cosec 180? Reciprocal 1 by infinity. What is the reciprocal of 1 by minus 1? Minus 1. Next one is the reciprocal 1 by 0 reciprocal, it is undefined, infinity. Clear? So you know that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, sec theta is 1 by cos theta, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Very easy to remember. And remember sin theta reverse function or reciprocal function cosec, cos reciprocal sec, tan reciprocal cot. Okay, so you have to learn this table. This table, no need to worry. I told you only the first thing you remember. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 sin values you learn. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Clear? So these shortcuts you have to remember for solving numerical, especially 30, 45. This first 5 they last in many exams. If you know this values only, you can solve the numericals. So I told how to remember the value, nothing is there, only you have to write column like this. This in few cases you need to learn, okay, rest you can do it in the maths and all. So for physics case you have to remember the value, cos 0, sin 0 is 180, cos 180, sin 180 is 0, cos 180 is minus 1, tan 180 is 0, cosec 180 is infinity, sec 180 is minus 1, cot 180 is infinity. So first 5 column, with that you can find any other things. Okay, there are all silver teacups form also to find out for any angles that we can discuss in another section. If you need more videos, you subscribe our channel V Guide TV. Thank you.